tell. No support in the trigger guard, none whatsoever. And then in the middle, maybe a little hard to see, but not much for supports. Stupid autofocus. There we go. Not much for supports here either. So most of it came off in one pull. This is almost all the supports right here. You can see we have almost nothing on the internals. So let me get these out. The microphone. Real quick, like. One piece. Two pieces. Three pieces. Four. Five. Six. So, yep. 6 pieces of supports right here. This is it. These are all of the supports for the entire build. Guys, this is look at that.